Is the good kid a myth? I recently watched Adolescence and it left me shaken as a parent. If you felt the same too, do watch this video till the end. Netflix के Adolescence ने तहलका मचा दिया है. 66 million views overall. It's being screened in schools in UK and it's also been praised by many good filmmakers. पर जहाँ storytelling की वाह-वाह हो रही है, वहाँ we Indian parents are spiraling. सब कुछ सही करके भी बच्चा गलत रास्ते पर जा सकता है. इस बात को लेके हम anxious तो हो गए हैं, but you should know कि it's not so black and white. We all grew up thinking that a good kid is someone जो होमवर्क कर लेता है, जो अपने प्लेट पे खाना नहीं बचाता, जो डांटने पे बिल्कुल चुप रहता है और बैड इन्फ्लुएंसेस से तो दूर ही रहता है. But adolescence, it teaches us something very powerful. It tells us that just because a child is well behaved on the outside doesn't mean कि अंदर से सब सही है. हमारे बच्चे ऑनलाइन बड़े हो रहे हैं. ओवर स्टिमुलेशन टू अंडर नरिशमेंट. आज के स्ट्रगल्स तो बहुत ही अलग हैं. सब कहते हैं कि लिमिट स्क्रीन टाइम एंड ईट हेल्दी, बट क्या ये काफी है? बच्चा कितनी देर स्क्रीन यूज कर रहा है से बेहतर आप ये देखिए कि वो क्यों देख रहा है. इज ही बोर्ड? इज ही ट्राइंग टू एस्केप समथिंग? क्या वो स्ट्रेस्ड है? और इज इट लोनलीनेस? इफ दे आर ग्लूड टू द स्क्रीन, आप खुद से सवाल करो that what makes this game or show so fun for them. आपको शायद पता चलेगा that in school your child is feeling unimportant or lonely. But इस गेम में they are the main character. या फिर they are following creators who are influencing their body image, habits and self-worth. Understanding why they watch tells you more than how much they watch. क्या आपका बच्चा स्कूल के बाद शांत रहता है? बात करने से ज्यादा उसे स्क्रीन टाइम अच्छा लगता है? These are not just habits. न्यूट्रिशन और स्क्रीन टाइम को हम टास्क की तरह देखते हैं. But actually, these are your child's emotional touch points. मेरे बेटे ने एक बार पाव भाजी खाते हुए 5 से 6 पाव एक्स्ट्रा खा लिए. I was shocked. Not because his appetite is so huge, but because screen देखते देखते उसे समझ ही नहीं आया how much he was eating. On a normal day, he would not eat more than 2. Let's admit, we as parents also end up eating 2-3 packets of chips sometimes when we are binge watching at night. 90% of serotonin, यानी कि हमारा feel good hormone, is produced in our gut. Now, if our diet lacks protein, fiber and micronutrients, then of course we are going to have an impact on our mood and focus, right? So it's not just what they are watching, it's what and how much they are eating while watching. Screen time and nutrition are a part of our daily habits, not just for us, but also for our children. But did you know that they can become excellent tools for us to know our children better? Here's how. Here are 3 simple things that I do. Dinner time, phones go away. उस टाइम पर having conversations is non-negotiable. I ask my son anything, like a weird dream he had, to what was the kindest thing that he did in school on that day. शायद पहले 2-3 दिन आपको ज़्यादा responses नहीं आएंगे, but that doesn't mean you should stop. In fact, that's your sign to keep going. और फिर आप आगे देखेंगे, as you keep like prodding them every day, they will open up more and more. Why won't they open up when they know that somebody is there for them? Our kids are growing up with screens, so we might as well make the best use of them. I curate movies and shows which spark curiosity and conversations in my child and watch them with him. Stanley Ka Dabba, Tare Zameen Par, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, these are some movies that he loves. And all these movies have helped him understand values like inclusivity, humility and friendship in a much better way. Our relationship with screens will also determine their relationship with it. Whenever I see an interesting recipe on Reels, I always show it to my son. अगर उसे पसंद आता है, then I actually make it either for his tiffin या उसे घर पे बना के खिला देती हूँ. And he sees his mom using the screen for something which is actually meaningful. बस इतना ही तो करना था. Was it so hard? I don't think so. These are some things that really helped me as a mom. If you like this video, don't forget to share this with a fellow parent and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.